Turbocharged engines have become a common standard for many diesel and petrol-powered vehicles today. Operation of the turbocharger, which plays a crucial role in engine combustion and car performance, also has a significant influence on the vehicle's impact on the environment. Specifically, emissions of harmful gases like CO2 and NOx produced during the combustion process became subject to tightened vehicle inspection standards now set in many countries' legislation. In some countries, cars that are not in compliance with regulated emissions standards can bring their owners heavy fines. The turbocharger influences not only the car's performance and fuel economy, but also has a noticeable environmental impact, which is of equal importance and should not be disregarded when the part is being replaced. Recognizing the importance of these factors, Nissan has decided to carry out a comprehensive emissions and performance test on a vehicle fitted with a Nissan's turbocharger. The purpose of the test was to prove that the high-quality aftermarket product delivered by Nissan does not compromise the car's exhaust gas emissions, the engine's power effect, or the total fuel economy. A popular model, the Volkswagen Passat, powered by the well-known 1.9 TDI engine, has been selected for the study. A complete emission, performance, and fuel efficiency test was commissioned from TÜV Nord, a renowned independent technological institute in Germany. In order to produce a comparative outcome, the test course was run in two parts, with identical test methods. The first part, the vehicle was tested with a turbocharger that was originally installed. The second part, the same vehicle exposed to an identical test. However, the car was refitted with a Nissan's turbo unit. The vehicle arrives at TÜV Nord, Essen, Western Germany. The following phases are carried out on the test course. Measurements of exhaust emissions. Measurement of fuel consumption. Measurements of the vehicle's performance, specifically engine power on a roller chassis dynamometer. Now, after the test, the car drives home, where the OE turbocharger will be replaced with a Nissan's product. A new turbo unit from Nissan's is being installed at a professional workshop. And when the installation process is complete, the car must again drive to Germany for the second part of the test. Here at the TÜV Institute, the same test with precisely the same phases is carried out on the vehicle, which has now been fitted with Nissan's turbo. Exhaust emissions according to European Regulation number 715/2007. Fuel consumption test according to European Regulation number 692/2008. And finally, the vehicle's performance examination on a roller chassis dynamometer. Now it is time to compare the results of the tests. The exhaust emissions test has presented the following results. CO2 emissions of the car fitted with the Nissan's turbo did not exceed the EC norm. NOx emissions of the car fitted with the Nissan's turbo did not exceed the Euro norm. Respectively, HX plus NOx emissions, when turbocharged by Nissans, emitted by the car reached a level acceptable by the regulations. Fuel consumption measurement over the test course has revealed that, by installing the Nissan's turbo, the vehicle's fuel consumption was at an acceptable level and matched the consumption measured with the OE unit installed. A thorough examination of the vehicle performance test has shown that installing the Nissan's turbo does not affect the vehicle's power output. Low-end torque effect, Newton meter, and engine power effect, kilowatts to horsepower measurements showed that the engine's output when fitted with the Nissan's turbo perfectly matched the power effect generated with the OE turbo. It is a safe choice to replace an OE turbo with a high-quality aftermarket product, namely Nissan's turbo. The comprehensive test performed by the independent TUV Institute has revealed the dangerous gas emissions, namely CO2 and NOx, are kept within the strict EC regulation. This means that vehicles fitted with Nissan's turbos will easily pass the strict emissions inspections applicable in European countries. The vehicle's fuel consumption and power effect match the OE application. The overall conclusion is that the high-quality turbo delivered by Nissans is completely safe for the car's performance and ensures its 100% compatibility with strict EC environmental standards.